Shenzhen Haydn Heating Technology Company Limited is founded in 2004. Gaungdong Haydn Heating Technology Company Limited, located in Dongguan, Gaungdong. We are one of the famous wall gas boiler manufacturers in China. At present, our products mainly includes wall-hung gas boilers, air purifier, water purification equipment, household gas appliances, and kitchen appliances. After more than 18 years of market testing, our wall-hung gas boilers have won the trust of millions of consumers. At the same time, as one of the famous gas boiler brands, Haydn products are distributed in over 20 provinces and cities inside China and over 15 countries all over the world. Haydn factory covering an area of 39,754 square meters. We have industry-leading manufacturing equipment and quality control equipment, fully automatic production lines, and online testing equipment. The CNC machining center with CNC punching equipment and CNC bending equipment. High-level mold development capability provides great support for the research and development of new technologies and products. Haydn Company continuously improves the level of enterprise intelligence and technological innovation capability. At the same time, we have established a first-class testing center of the industry, including performance testing equipment, energy efficiency testing equipment, electrical performance testing room, product life test laboratory, etc., which guarantees the production of high-quality products. We also provide CKD and OEM service for our customers. Welcome to join us. We will work with you to open up the market for you and serve customers together.